Shalom uvracha. I'm Rabbi Joseph Beda, and this is my thought on the weekly parasha, Parashat Bo. In this week's parasha, we see the ninth and penultimate plague, Makat Hoshech. And the Torah tells us that all of Egypt experienced 3 days of complete darkness. But then it says, Ulechol b'nei Yisrael hayaor b'moshevotam. But b'nei Yisrael had light in wherever they were. And what we see here is something interesting about the nature of the way Hashem runs the world. And that is that it's possible for two different groups of people to experience two entirely different realities. Egyptians, on the one hand, experiencing complete darkness, and Bnei Yisrael having or. And when we think about this, perhaps we're supposed to contemplate the idea that sometimes when we experience beracha, sometimes when we experience hatzlacha, sometimes when something is going well for us, we should remember that it may not be true for everybody else. It could be that other people are experiencing darkness when we're experiencing light. And we should think about what it means of how they would look at us when we're in the light, because we are supposed to be or lagoyim. We are supposed to be a light unto the nations. And perhaps here, the message of Binfol oyivcha al tismach. Don't be happy when your enemy has a difficult time. If your competitor, if someone that's not you is experiencing hardship, don't feel good about it. Thank Hashem for what you have, but be modest about it, be simple about it. And remember that the way the world works is sometimes people have the positive, but at the same time, other people have the negative. And maybe at a particular moment, I'm experiencing the positive, but I should be sensitive to how other people feel, and I should probably remember that at some point in the future, the roles may be reversed. So Bezrat Hashem, we receive the or, but always remember that even when we're in the or, there might be people in the choshech. Shabbat Shalom.